Hello everyone, and welcome to the 60-Day Achievement Program Do-It-Yourself course. How about that? I've been dreaming about this for years because I've helped thousands of people one-on-one, and my vision and my mission is bigger than that. There's a whole world out there. I want people that I don't even know to stumble upon this program and have their life changed forever. So I'm just greedy about wanting to help people because I'm addicted. It's a good addiction. I really feel that I have something worthwhile, and I'm going to do everything in my power to set up a support structure to have you do it yourself. This is a success plan for your health. You're going to see a whole list right from the beginning of things that you can do to get better. I have a free journal. It's paperless or it's fillable PDF, or you could print it out and write in it. It's all free. Let's get started. Take a look at what you need. If you hook on to this success program, you're going to find success. I look forward to seeing you. Visit me anytime on my live streams every single Monday. You could visit me there. I love you all. I wish the best for you.